Human nature is such, we have tremendous adaptability. One who can run can stop, and one who is standing still can run also. If we forget to use these opposite abilities that we have, we are not doing justice to our own lives. A door which can be closed should be open, a door which can be opened should be able to close also, otherwise it is no door. Same way in human existence, we have the ability to work dynamically, at the same time retrieve from it and be quiet and calm. You have the ability to talk and blabber all that, and you should have the ability to keep shut. Because when you keep shut, when you keep quiet, only then you listen, you hear, you think. Just imagine if you are talking all the time, you are not using your brains. Have you noticed some of your friends who talk and they don't make any sense? Huh?
Just keep blabbering.
Keep blabbering, na? So they don't listen, right? Huh? They don't even know what they are talking.
Actually, I'm an introvert person, so I like to be myself and things like that. But since it's lockdown, house is filled with people, so it's like it's so difficult for me to be around.
Yeah. First of all, don't put a label on you. I am an introvert, I am an extrovert. If you think you are an extrovert, you feel so restless just being by yourself. If you think you are introvert, you feel so uncomfortable sitting with a few people around you. So this is the time you sit and chit-chat with people. Why you have to be introvert? Your likes and dislikes limit your personality. It creates a boundary around you. If you can make just a little effort to see what is that you don't like, and if it is not harmful. How many of you are scared when people make fun of you? You are scared? All of you are scared. Listen, do you make fun of anybody? Huh? Suppose nobody makes fun of anybody. Isn't it dull and boring if nobody makes fun of anybody? No jokes can come out at all, right? Suppose nobody makes fun of anybody, will there be any jokes? No. Do you like jokes?
Yes.
Yeah. You like fun?
Yes.
Do you make fun of others?
Yes.
See, making fun of others is you don't have to hurt them. Fun is not always hurtful. It just makes your life lighter. So when you like to make fun of others and have some fun and joke, why wouldn't you be an object of joy? See, people make fun of you, then you are giving joy to so many people. Why shouldn't you be doing that? But we never thought about it. Suppose you are a joker. So jokers, they make fun of themselves. The most hilarious thing is when a buffoon makes fun of himself. That's why they're called buffoons, right? And nobody looks down upon buffoons. Do people look down upon jokers? Someone who makes fun about themselves, people love it. So why can't you, for a moment, allow others to make fun of you? Why shouldn't you be? Why should you always be in a position where, oh, I don't want to be made fun of? So what? You are bringing joy to so many. Everybody is laughing at you. So what? Your dignity is not going to come down. I'm not telling you have to be foolish and all the time, but a little bit of foolishness is okay. You don't have to be fool all the time. But you don't have to be wise all the time too. Why do you need to be? Why do you have to sit on a throne all the time? Come on. We imagine in our mind, oh, we are, like dignity. What are the dignities? If you are stuck in dignity, caring for your image all the time, I tell you, you will be miserable in your life. Situations do arise where people make fun of you. And this is the intelligent thing to do. Rather than getting upset because someone made a remark on you, and you get angry, upset and yell and shout. In life, if we don't have humor, you will not be successful, I tell you. Humor is that something which can sail over all conflicts. It can avoid conflicts in life. It can make your life so much better. Just imagine, you made a remark on your friend. It was a little funny, everybody laughed. Just imagine if the person takes it too seriously and takes it as a hurt, and then he's angry and want to take revenge on you. Would you like it? You know, so many friendships are lost this way, unintentionally. In a lighter mood, you say something, it is funny and everybody laughs, and the person who are in the epicenter of that joke is hurt, and then they become your enemy. You like that? Similarly, when you become epicenter of others' joke, why should you be so upset? Got it?
Yes.
If we can let go of this rigidity, we'll be good communicators. And if you are a good communicator, you are bound to be successful.